We love plant lovers and they love us, and that has made Harshdeep one of the most loved brands for planters in India. We have successfully expanded into garden furniture to create a wholesome aesthetic experience for our customers.
Just in India, our products are available in over 500 plus garden centers, with our main offices in 7 major cities. We are constantly inspired by the world around us, and we create designs that our global customers love across 6 continents.
We try to stay connected with all our dealers and distributors through digital mediums and personal connect because we consider their feedback very seriously. And I feel proud to carry my father's legacy and his commitment to this environment.